Hello friends, today I am going to be teaching you how to differentiate. They were asked to find dy by dx without terminating any parameters. So here they have given three variables, that is x, theta and y. I am taking this equation, x is equal to cos theta minus cos 2 theta. Now let's differentiate this equation with respect to theta. So dx by d theta is equal to differentiation of cos theta minus cos 2 theta whole divided by differentiation of theta. So differentiation of cos theta is nothing but minus sin theta. Same minus, again we have cos 2 theta. Differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta, but instead of sin theta we have 2 theta. So instead of theta we have to write 2 theta. Now let's put in bracket. So differentiation of cos theta is minus sin 2 theta, but we cannot stop in here because we still have this function 2 theta. So let's differentiate this function 2 theta. Differentiation of 2 theta is nothing but 2 because the constant remains and theta becomes 1, right? So now let's rearrange this. Minus sin theta, so minus of minus, so minus into minus is plus. Let's write 2 in the first, 2 sin 2 theta. Notice that I have put this bracket in here. It's very important. Sometimes without putting the bracket you might put only one minus sign, then the entire equation becomes wrong. So the equation we have obtained is dx by d theta is equal to minus sin theta plus 2 sin 2 theta. Okay, so now let's take this equation. Y is equals to sin theta minus sin 2 theta. So let's again differentiate with respect to theta. Differentiation of y by d theta is equal to differentiation of sin theta minus sin 2 theta whole divided by d theta. Okay, so what is differentiation of sin theta? It's nothing but cos theta. It is equal to cos theta minus, what is differentiation of sin 2 theta? Again, instead of 2 theta, let's take just theta. Sin theta is nothing but cos theta. Cos, instead of theta, let's put 2 theta. Okay, so now we cannot again stop in here because we still have 2 theta, which is also a function. Let's again differentiate it. Then we get into 2. On rearranging, we get dy by d theta is equal to cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta. Okay, now I have obtained two equations. I am dividing dy by d theta by dx by d theta, because when I do that, that is dy by d theta and dx by d theta, the d theta get cancelled and we remain with dy by dx, and that is what we have to find, which is equal to, what is dy by d theta? It's nothing but cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta whole divided by, here we have dx by d theta is equal to minus sin theta plus 2 sin 2 theta. Let's put sin theta at the end, that is 2 sin 2 theta minus sin theta. So now let's cancel d theta. So we get dy by dx is equal to cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta whole divided by 2 sin 2 theta minus sin theta. So this is the answer. Dy by dx is equal to cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta by 2 sin 2 theta minus sin theta. So thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like this, please make sure to like, share and subscribe, and also share this video to your friends so that even they learn how to differentiate. Thank you.